Okay, so I'm making this video for those people who can't understand how to start any lab or how to go to any lab. So simply is that at first you have to search in Google this arcade, okay? And from here, just you need to click on this web page. From here, we just need to simply click over here. I think you people have done this before also when you were registering yourself in your arcade and when you were just filling out the subscription form. So from here you have to just scroll down simply and you can see there are numerous number of labs over here. The first one shown here is this tech care. Actually this tech care lab is no more available now because it was available only until yesterday, and at this place a new lab is going to come. So just ignore this one. Then you're having the arcade base camp, the arcade quiz, and the other labs like level 1, level 2, and the trivia April 2025. You're having totally four trivia labs over here. Week 4 is still coming soon. So the simple thing is that the main thing is that which I'm going to show you all over here is that how to enter into any game or how to enter into any lab. So just let's take an example of entering into this arcade base camp April. You just need to copy this access code at first given over here. Make sure when you copy the access code you don't copy any or you don't select any extra space. Okay, just copy it from here. Then we have to just click on the start button. After clicking on the start button, we need to just click on this sign in to join this game. At first, sign in with your account, the account which you are using for doing all your arcade labs. Remember, just ignore this one. Okay, so actually my this lab is completed. Let me show you another example which I haven't started in this account. I guess I haven't done this one. So this is the arcade quiz and which is actually level 3. So let me just copy this access code, start the lab. Okay, now join this game. Here you have to paste the arcade code, that access code. Okay, so control V and then join over here. Okay, so this is how you already entered in your level 3 the arcade quiz game. Here you can see the start module is given. Just click on this arrow and you can see there are total 8 labs which you need to perform. Okay, and remember one more thing, the labs beside, okay, the lab which is having this required button beside it, those are the labs only which you all have to do. Okay, you don't have to do anything over here. You don't have to do anything over here. You just need to perform these 8 labs from your level 3 the arcade quiz. You just simply need to click on this lab. The same process will carry on with all the labs. Then what you can do is that you can just copy this heading. You can just go to YouTube. Okay, you can simply come to YouTube over here and you can just simply search over here. Okay, paste the heading over here. Sorry, I actually couldn't copy it perfectly. So just copy this heading, come to YouTube, paste it over here, enter. Okay, make sure to watch that video only which is kind of recent. Here you can see that this video is actually recent. It was uploaded 13 days ago. So simply click on the video and you can just see the solution how to do the lab. So then you have to start the lab. After doing your lab, you just need to end the lab from over here. Okay, and make sure to read this overview because in some of the labs, in the overview it is written that you have to wait for 3 minutes or you have to keep the lab open for almost 3 minutes or 5 minutes or something like that. So never miss any kind of information given for your labs. So this is how you are going to enter in each and every lab.